club side. Faith, see if there's anything changed. Oh, they actually have your Disney Xfinity room still. All cool characters. Yeah, here we go. There's Mommy's store. We got Star Wars, the princesses, and of course everyone's favorite. There's Mickey. Pixar's in here as well. Can only imagine how busy this room's gonna get. All the little ones playing their games. Alright, off to the next room. And actually on the ceiling, you can see it, they have Peter Pan and Wendy flying, and there's Peter Pan there, released by Wendy. And they have a dance floor. They play games on it. Here is another one of the favorites, is Pixie Hollow. Kids can come in here and draw and dress up. They do arts and crafts. Apparently they have movies. This is a cute little detail. Their little heads nestled away in the tree. Looks like we got the Millennium Falcon here.
Yeah, look, there's no drums.
Yeah, it tells you, that's what your mom, you don't need that paper.
Oh boy. Here we go. Just like Star Tours. I guess they do games and stuff in here. Then you have R2-D2. Hi R2. How are you? You ready to go sailing? No? Alright.
Big kids one. Just see what it looks like.
They have the kids' restrooms. They are really cute though. Little doors, little sinks. Just tall enough for the little kids. Little wash stations. It's really cool how they wash their hands. They put them in there and it washes them for them. You don't have to do all the work. This is the in-between section where they do like messy science or sloppy science. They make cookies or cupcakes, and they actually have kids' lunches in here as well. So this is the room that connects both the clubs. So now we're going to go to the Oceanears lab side of the kids' club. You get to play games on these. Very cool. Oh, they got the Wii. This is where my daughter would spend most of her time if she were here. Her first cruise, or our first cruise without her. She's visiting friends in Texas for a week. That's the only time, that's when we decided to come. We don't ever do anything without her, so the one time. Got another dance floor over here. Looks like we got some of the girls ready to do some hula hooping. And animator studio out here. They can come in and draw. The characters. They put the coloring pages in up here and they just draw. It's really cool. That's a cool one. They also have these cool little tables. They're very interactive with the kids. And not last, but the Explorer's Room. Oh, the Port of Call Simulator. This looks new. So this is pretty cool. You can actually turn the little wheels. I guess like they are flying or driving a boat. That's pretty cool. The Media Lounge. They come and sit down. This is usually full of beanbags and chairs and all sorts of stuff where the kids can come and just watch a movie. And another TV. These kids can watch one movie everywhere on the ship in the kids club. And we got the Playmation room. I'm guessing this is where they get the characters to play some of their games. We got a bunch of Captain Americas in here. Iron Man. I'm guessing Captain America is one of the popular ones. They've got, wow, probably 4 or 5 of him. Oh, like different Iron Mans. Hulk. Okay, so this is probably Marvel in this room. And that is the tour. Of course, back there they have stuff that they do too. Behind that nice, wonderful red curtain. So that is the end of it. And there are 2 entrances in. There's the lab and the club. Oh, here's a special little treat. When you come out on the Dream here, and you go to your left, there's a special room. It's room 5148 and a half. This is the special Muppet room. This is where they stay. I could actually, if I bent down a little bit, I could fit in there if the door actually opened. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.